Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having a fabulous weekend. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do jewelry, we do beauty, lifestyle, home decor. Like I said, we do a little bit of everything here. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget, we do have a couple active giveaways that end on the 31st. They will be linked down below. We have the Trend Mood and the Tati palette giveaway. So check those out if you haven't already. But today, let's get into the Glamour Jewelry for January 2020. So I'm super excited. This subscription is $29.99 a month, and you receive 3 beautiful pieces of jewelry every month. And they do also have, and I really like this, they have a single piece plan where you can kind of go in and build like a queue of different pieces that you like, and they will select a piece from your queue every month and send it to you for only $14.99. So they do have different options, which I really like. So pricing and the link and everything will be down below. So let's get in here and see what we got again for January 2020. All right, so that is everything out. So it's New Year, New Jewelry, Glamour Jewelry Box. I wear my name on there, Nikki. I love that. We're kicking off the new decade with an amazing collection since this year is all about you. If you're loving this month's pieces, you're going to be blown away by the rest of the year's jewelry. Ooh. So it always comes in this cute little pouch here. And then here's all of our jewelry, and then we get little cards that tell us about each piece. So we will reference these as we need to, and they will tell us the retail price, so that is great. Oh, I can already see that it's rose gold, so I'm so excited. That is one thing, Glamour Jewelry Box kind of mixes it up. So sometimes it could be silver, sometimes it could be rose gold, sometimes it, could be gold. I love that because I love having the combination. So, all right. So the first thing here looks like some earrings, and they look so beautiful. So they are some hoops. Oh my goodness, these are stunning. See the rose gold and sparkle. So there are those. And these are the Sophia Collection Glamour Hoops. It says, hoops with a glamorous twist. These sparkling hoops add a little something extra to your outfit without any effort. We know you'll reach for this pair over and over again. And that's very true. I probably will. And these are $25. I just think they're gorgeous. So gorgeous. Oh, I love them. All right. And then we have a bracelet. Okay, first of all, I love bracelets like this that you don't have to actually clasp. A, because that is just in general hard to do sometimes, but I have rheumatoid arthritis, so it makes it a little more difficult for me. So I love that you can just adjust this, slide it on, and you're good to go. So that is what we're gonna do. And just like that, it's on. Is that not beautiful? And you see you have the beads kind of hanging down, and you can adjust. You can make it as loose or as tight as you want. But again, I just think that is stunning. All right, let's see. Lombard Street bracelet. This beaded beauty has the perfect pull tie closure, so you can put it on with ease. The double layer makes for a chic look and style. Get ready for endless compliments. And this is $28, and this is from Laurel and Rose. I do love this. It's like, what I like about it is it's simple as far as, I mean, it's literally just beads, but the way they catch the light and then the double row, I just love it. Love it. All right, so we have one final product, obviously, our necklace. And, ooh, y'all, they weren't joking when they said, oh, they are kicking off 2020 with a bang. Like, seriously. Which their jewelry never disappoints, to be honest. But these pieces are just like, oh my gosh. So this is like a layered necklace. So there's the first layer, gorgeous. And then it comes down and it's just a simple, oh my gosh. It's like so beautiful, but simple, and it does have the extender so you can adjust it. You guys, this collection is just phenomenal. So the necklace is from the Paris collection. It is the lunar necklace. The beautiful opal stone necklace is the perfect jewelry addition for the new decade. The layer design and modern bar detail make for a captivating piece. This is $28. I have to agree. I love this. I think that is just so stunning. It's not a heavy necklace. Y'all, I'm in love with this. I don't know which, gosh, I don't know if I could pick a favorite piece, honestly, because the necklace is gorgeous. The earrings I love because they're simple enough to wear literally every day, but also give you that like pizzazz, that just oomph. But I really love this bracelet. I just don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't know which one is my favorite. I definitely think wearing all three of them together would be absolutely beautiful. So let me know down below what you guys think. What was your favorite? Do you get Glamour Jewelry Box? And like I said, don't forget, they do also have their new single piece plan that is $14.99. So like I said, you would go in, create an account, and kind of put different items in the queue. And again, they select and send you from that queue monthly. Or you can get the full like $29.99 package here, where you get the 3 pieces every month. And it is usually earrings, a bracelet, and a necklace. And it is always stunning. But this month, I would have to say, has just blown me away. Seriously, it has blown me away. And if they're saying this is just the beginning for 2020, oh my gosh, y'all, I cannot wait. So again, let me know your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.